you've ever wondered what's the lowest cost way to get course materials to students, boy do I have an answer for you. It's Tatiana EdTech, and today we're talking about OpenStax. OpenStax is a free alternative to traditional college textbooks. Now, if you're a professor, you're probably like, why are you talking to me about OpenStax? OpenStax adoption has grown to about 72% of colleges, but only 26% of professors. When students can't afford course materials, they drop out. Here's where the cost of course materials gets tricky. Publishers like McGraw-Hill, Pearson, and Cengage have bolstered profits through bundling portal access, the place where students submit their homework, with the course material textbook. So what that looks like for students is paying to submit their homework. The cost for one semester of portal fees and course materials can be anywhere from $300 to $500 per semester. So you're looking at $1,000 per year. That's where OpenStax comes in. If you're a professor or higher ed admin, this matters. Saving your students $1,000 per year can be extremely impactful, especially if you run a community college. That $1,000 per year is equal to almost 25% of your tuition. Students can enroll longer and potentially complete their 2-year degree faster when they have more financial resources available by not having to pay $1,000 of portal fees and course material fees. Now, if you're familiar with OpenStax, here are a few updates that you want to keep in mind. OpenStax Assignable launched in 2024. So if you are using McGraw-Hill Connect, Pearson MyLab, or any of the other portals that professors use to assign homework, you can still assign homework within OpenStax. OpenStax Assignable would be the portal equivalent to a Connect or MyLab. With Assignable, you can assign readings, auto-grade assignments, and pull them back to the gradebook, create and reuse assignments, embed instructions, videos, and all of the necessary functions that a standard portal would have for professors. And if you haven't checked out Assignable in a while, this is a big update for you. As of fall 2025, Assignable now integrates with LTI Standard 1.3. That means your Blackboard, Canvas, Moodle, Brightspace, all of the major LMSs, Assignable will integrate. This was a struggle in the past, not being able to really create course materials that make the course repeatable for professors and not being able to integrate smoothly. That has gone away with the major update in 2025. Assignable only costs $15 per course per semester, which can be a huge cost savings for students. Who are OpenStax and Assignable for? If you're running a community college, it's probably worth looking into OpenStax's most recent offering with Assignable. Your students are usually the most price conscious, and this can make a huge difference with retention. If your university has a high volume of Pell Grant eligible students, you also may want to check out OpenStax and Assignable. Again, your students may have steeper financial pressures, and this could lift a huge burden and enable them to continue on in their education, boosting your retention rates and their student success. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's Tatiana EdTech. I did the research so you don't have to.